Well, welcome back, channel. We had a different field. So far what we've cut, 19.1 on moisture. Got some new help right there, Mike. I've gave him a GoPro, so maybe we can get some different perspective on what we're doing. So y'all stay tuned. Well, we've cut 4 bins on the combine, roughly about 900 bushel, and still trying to open the field up.
Full hopper this time. Got out of them end rows where it sucked it out.
And if you heard that, we just think that was the 3rd round around the field on the end rows. Cutting good. First bin, check 19.1. Now they're in the 17s, and we did get our moisture tester calibrated. So I'm on cart this across the road over there to the church, and hopefully get Dave filled and get him out of here and start sending back to the elevator. Mike, the new guy, he is in the white truck hauling to the bins. I've got the red Ford over there. We did use it yesterday. No video on yesterday. Something I was filming, but it was on something else to do with corn. But it will be on here. I will get a video on what I was planning on doing later on, but it just didn't work out like I wanted it to. So I'm rambling, and I'm just gonna fill the truck. A lot of people don't realize how close I have to get with that dual to this semi to get it in the middle. Well, he's bubbled up pretty good on top, if you can see it. Maybe make it out here to the end. Well, we've got enough to almost fill the truck. That's Mike on the ladder. I finally hired me a camera guy. Well, we got the semi loaded, and he's got some trouble over there, something slipping. I'll bring it back and we'll know what's going on there. Hopefully we got this figured out. We were getting trash in the clean drain augers, and I think it's just a difference in corn. How much better this is, which has all been good. This is really good. We done some adjusting and maybe got it cleaned up. So we'll find out. Well, we were down about an hour and a half. Just a lot of it is difference in the corn. It's all been good, but just a little bit better corn. A whole lot drier, and so we're back running. Might have to make a few more small adjustments. Well, we got the truck back. Didn't really cut much while he was gone. 17.7 moisture. Read that sign, no trailer truck parking. Y'all got that? Well, we should have easily got this field done today. Again, a late start because of heavy dew and fog, and just trying to get the combine reset. But we ought to get this field knocked out, and that'll just be that much more done. Well, we're down to right there, and we'll be on the short rows running back and forth that way, and we'll have it knocked out. Maybe. All the washing and waxing I've done on this thing's filthy. I'll have to clean her up when we get done with all this. Well, we got the semi full. Too late to take it off. So I'm gonna put what's on this cart on this red truck and park this tractor, and we're gonna chase the rest of it with trucks. We haven't used that truck until yesterday this year yesterday. So we've got it out, and just knowing that we need a cart and a semi and 2 dump trucks to keep up is a good feeling. This next topper load ought to catch him, or fill him. I'm gonna jump on old red here. H.R. Thomas, that's my grandfather. He bought this truck new. I'm the owner now.
I don't know how far it be, so Jim, if I need closer or further.
Radio interference. I can't get nothing but jibber jabber on that radio, so I see a bubble on top, so that tells me I need to go to him. This field has really surprised me on what it's doing. Best field yet. We are literally half a mile from home, and I just pulled up, and he's fixing to be full. Probably put some on me. So if we're jumping that fast with 2 trucks, it's some good corn. That's my yield monitor, is how fast we have to go dump a truck. We got to shorten them lights. Rave party in the cornfield. There's your sunset. I don't know if the cameras does that justice. Beautiful. Just a little bit of sun left, still beautiful though. Well, it's really too dark to film, and we don't like much at all. Just a few rows over there, short rows. So I'm gonna call this one done for the day. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Leave me a comment, and we will catch you on the next one.